120,000 a night, worth every yen, or Kyoto's most beautiful overprice? The Mitsui wants to answer that. A converted Meiji. 4 things reveal whether this rate actually makes sense: the arrival, the suite, the breakfast, the spa. Each one tells you something different about this place. Together, they'll give you a real answer before you book. Check-in here begins with poured tea. Original timber ceilings, quiet light filtering down through shoji. A staff member sets down the tea before a single form is signed. No counter, no queue, just a low table and the scent of old cedar. The arrival garden, raked gravel, clipped pine, visible from every seat. That arrival recalibrates your pace before you even reach the room. The estate's bones are preserved, not performed. What you feel here is continuity, not costume. For 120,000 yen, the welcome alone sets a high bar. "65 square meters. One of them, tatami. Shoji screen slide to divide the western bed from the tatami floor. The Hinoki soaking tub fills slowly. The cedar scent arrives first. The linen is weighty and cool without calling attention to itself. Morning light through shoji diffuses to the color of weak green tea. The tatami anteroom has no obvious purpose, which is exactly the point. Sit there for 10 minutes. The city goes quiet. At this rate, that quiet costs something real. This room has a point of view. Breakfast here is the most honest hour. At Mizuki, breakfast arrives in small lacquerware, unhurried, deliberate. Dashimaki tamago, soft, slightly sweet, holds its shape on the chopstick. Shiga rice, Kyoto tofu miso, a dashi that tastes like it was measured twice. Warm timber, low ceiling, the courtyard garden framed in the window. What this breakfast tells you: Kyoto has never been in a hurry. A similar spread exists nearby for less. Few worth knowing. The silence here, though, is harder to replicate. Rates drop noticeably Sunday through Wednesday. That's when to move. Request an inner garden room. Street-facing suites lose the atmosphere. Book the botanical treatment at least 48 hours ahead. It fills quickly. Confirm breakfast inclusion at booking. It varies by package and season. 10-minute walk to Nijo Castle. Worth the contrast. Best nightly value, Sunday check-in, Thursday departure. The Mitsui Kyoto, Nakagyo Ward, walkable to Nijojo, home for its location. Rates begin around 80,000 yen midweek, climbing toward 120,000 yen on weekends. Breakfast included, spa access separate unless bundled. The Mitsui Kyoto is not the easiest case for 120,000 yen a night, but few hotels make the architectural argument this quietly. This one does. If Kyoto is on your calendar, search Sunday rates first. That one move can bring the stay inside reach. More honest hotel breakdowns weekly.